Bro, watch your eyes. 3, 2, 1.
Ilo lahi e tangatai o nono la.
Mai he Swanson. O pehe o kia o mai e tahe mongo kia so.
Where you from, Merv?
I'm from Sydney, Australia. Out of
Whakalofa atu mako, ko aho nei, ko e aho tapu. O mai mga whaoa haku ki whale tapu I hakupu. Hakupu he atua, whini one. Yeah, we just came. It's our third day. We arrived on Friday, now it's Saturday, yesterday, Sunday for the Hakupu church packed. Got a lot of Hakupu people here. Hakupu MP, Richie. Got Tule, famous Hakupu person. Josephine Gray from Perth. You would have seen her in the vid. My Auntie Poa, Auntie Lealofi, and some other famous people from Hakupu. Oh yeah, it's good. Now we're gonna head back to Alofi to catch up with Hayden. Oh yeah, koe kia. Whakalofa atu mako at Auntie Paul's house. Nah, they're alright. They're okay. Yeah, we're just. This is our. Oh, see, look at this, guys. What are you gonna say? What's the word? Take one. Take one.
Take it.
Ooh.
It will melt on the way and then just.
Take one. Oh, okay.
It's alright.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, she got busy.
Oh,
so
yeah,
lovely,
yeah.
Auntie Paul, always lovely, always welcoming.
Sorry guys, so busy this whole week. I worry, mate.
Dad, please give it to you. Okay.
Hey, you guys, hurry up.
Whakalofa atu mako ko au I tanu anga mga whaoa haku I hakupu. Hau ke whakikise ono mai ki a matua, tau matua tupuna haku. Ko matua tupuna. Matua tupuna ko Eric Vesianga. This is where I get our Eric name. Eric was his first name. So Eric's my last name now. You would think our last name would be Vesianga, but my dad took his first name and made it our last. That's Elika, born 1908, died 1995. And I'll show you to his son. Ko matua tupuna haku, ko Punapa Vesianga. Born 1931, died 2009. As you can see, he's got the same last name, Vesianga. Yep, this is my dad's dad. And ko hoana e matua tupuna haku. Tangata fisi, fifine fisi, hoi fisi. Si mau e matua tupuna haku ko Punapa. Ko hingoa ko Wani Hoyt Eric, born 1935, died 2009. Yeah, that's 2009. And then Punapa's sister, ko Fofo Sifa Vesianga. She born in 1939, passed in 2020. Yeah, so this is our family. Tanuanga mga whaoa. There's only 4 here, eh? Elika, Napa, Wani, and Fofo. So we o mai a motoro ke whakamea e makaitu. Whakamea tau makaitu. See, as you can see, we arrived. It's mea. Someone's already whakamea the makaitu, so we'll just do some cleaning where we see. But if you look around, mea must have been Auntie Paw and her kids. But yeah. Okay. Good. Can you say who my grandpa is? Ko Punapa e matua tupuna haku? Punapa. Yeah. Ko hai e matua tupuna hao? Yeah. Okay. Itaki. Punapa. Moani. Yeah.
Tupuna.
Yeah. Tupuna. Tupuna. Yeah. All right.
One.
Yeah. This is malu. Fale malu. Makaitu. And tanuanga mga whawa. Napa. One. Elika. Fofo. Okay, whakalawhaka ko. Umaya motoro ki ki koko e tautama. Vela e aho nei. Ia, matangi. Hou e matangi ki koko. O hifo motoro ki tahi. Ki utuko reef. Whiwhia tau tama haku, o maia mautolu mo sehina haku ko Hayden. Osi a ngā hoa me awhi. Si ai whai aho nei a Hayden. So mai ke Whilawia. Okay, yo, what's up peeps? We're in the reef, we're at the Utuko reef. Come to cool down, it's pretty hot. This is our first stop for our first beach, so yep. Nitaki, haya.
I want my goggles.
Whakaalofa atu makau, pungi atu. E aho nei, ko aho mawhua I Niue. Hoko au ki whale whau, ko hengoa ko Julie's Gym. Hola whiha ko hola ono. Hoko au hawha lima, e mai eke au ke hawhangi e ngutuhala. E loa si lakahui au ki Tufukia playground. Did some chin-ups I leo mai, hola ono. Lali au ke, whane au ke lali atu au ki ngutuhala ke lali au ke hawhangi, mai ke hawhangi. E whai hila, si ange e hila ki hawhangi e ngutuhala, I hawhangi. I'm not sure if that made sense. Morning people, today is Monday, New Year time. In New Zealand it'll be Tuesday. I just arrived to Julie's Gym. I'm just calling it Julie's Gym because Julie invited me. She said, come to my gym, train. So I'm here. I'll show you what it looks like from the outside, just so you know. I'm inside now. Just had my warm up. This is Julie's Gym. That's what it looks like. It's the gym right next to Pacific Way Bar's in here. But here's the gym. Good setup. Got some power racks. Got the Olympic bars, Olympic weights. Got a good mirror. You know, if you're doing some posing practice, which I'll be doing. Got some weight belts. Another power bar to do some chin-ups. Got your bag, which is good for you boxers and Muay Thai guys. Leg press, flat bench, adjustable ab machine. Got some dumbbells, some weight bags, and some more heavier dumbbells for you big boys. And barbell, man, good setup. Got these ropes. A lot of boxers and crossfitters like to use that for arm strength, shoulder strength. Some workout mats, medicine ball, some jump steps. Yeah, and I think got these things here. This is like a deadlifter's mat. Yeah, so this wooden mat is for your feet. Don't dump the weights on the wooden mat. This is the wooden mat. This is the wood for your feet, and the sides is for the weight. This thing here. Oh, that's a device. Yeah, it's for heavy dumbbells, barbell. If you want to move it, lift it up to put weights on. But awesome setup. Also like to give a shout out to Alan Tunnel's gym. When I first arrived, I went there in the morning on Saturday morning because I didn't know about this gym. I knew about it, but I didn't. Julie didn't come till later, so shout out to his gym. Might do a little video at his gym too. He's up in Alufi North. This gym's in Alufi South. Right next to the dairy, which is good if you're feeling hungry. But yeah, I haven't started my workout. I've been talking for too long. But yeah, if you come, try and find Julie to get yourself a membership. You need a membership to come here. Yeah, gym rules, just the normal health and safety stuff, introduction stuff. But Julie's cool. So yeah, come check out the gym. All right. Hiya, kia monuina, to Philadelphia. Oh, one more thing. I got a competition, Tulotu competition on Thursday. I think it's at Clayton's Bar. So they'll have a deadlift competition, which Alan Tunnel is going to compete in the master section. That's Alan from the other gym. And then they have the bodybuilders jump on, which will be Janam. I hear it's from Avasele, Jack. I don't know much about Jack, and Catherine who helped matataki au ki Julie Moelan ke mai ke au ke dose Niue competition. So shout out. I've never really met. I met Janam at the Niue Constitution just briefly. Nice guy. And yeah, so these next few videos I'll be recording a little bit of gym in the morning. The reason why I come in the gym is mohe tau tamahaku mai ke au ke hoke fale fau. This is my time. So tomorrow I'll try and come at like 4:30 to get my workout in before I go home and look after the kids. Hi, thanks for listening. Hope you guys are well in Australia, New Zealand, Niue, worldwide. Kia monuina to Philadelphia.
Yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop to the beat, y'all, and you don't stop. Yes, y'all, and you don't stop.
So why is it got to be so damn? Let's go.
What I've just shown you is a little picture board of how this gym started. Might be this gym's called Niue Powerlifting Gym. I'm not too sure, but that's just a little journey of where it's begun. From 1 year of their gym gear at the wharf waiting for somewhere for it to go, to the humble beginnings, helping hands, till now Niue competing all around the world. It's this Argo. Yeah, so that's awesome. I know Danny Nemaia because I've seen some of his stuff in the past years training, but these new cats, Argo, Callum Makatoa is awesome. There's probably some other powerlifters that I should really keep my eye on. That's awesome stuff. Yep. So I'm half an hour into my gym workout. I had a friend that I met that was meant to come at 6, hasn't arrived. Hope he finds the gym because this is his first time to Niue. We'll see. Okay, mawhala. Whakalofa to Mako. Just stopped to get a shot of Tuapa. Big shout out to David Lakatani and Bevan Cook, the Tuapa boys. Just arrived to Tuapa. We're looking for some food, but hey, whangi at our restaurant, the cafe. It's Hala Hafahiva in Mongonei. So we're on our way to Hio Cafe. Hopefully they'll be open. If not, we'll just head back. Okay, koe kia. Ae, whale tapu Tuapa. Just thought I'd get some vids. Eilo e whale David Lakatani, more Bevan Cook, because I've never been to Niue while they're on the island. Bevan and Dave, but I'm not sure where your house is, but yeah, got the church. Just for you guys, okay? Ke monuina. Whakalofa atu. Hoko o mautolo ki Hio Cafe. Hei hawhangi. Hawhangi e aho whaleile 5 tula ki 8 tula. Bro, just arrived to Hio Cafe. And it's probably booked out on that Friday. It's only open Friday this week, 5 till 8. But probably be booked out like what's that place called? For Kaika and well, Matavai. We were at Kaika and Matavai last night, but they didn't open. It's just packed or reserved or booked. So we're just in we're just gonna hit back. My daughter's birthday today, so just see what we can find out. Here we're in the car. My beautiful daughter's birthday. Hongafulu ma taha. Oh no, hongafulu ma fa. So that's what we're doing. Here's my son. Do you want to say something, Jackson? Yeah, okay, we're gonna go now. We're at Piniamina's grave. Today they're celebrating Piniamina, I think, at one of the churches. So yeah, they're celebrating this with my mom is right now, but this is where his actual grave is in Makefu. Alright, okay. Whakalofa atu Mako. O Mautolo, Oko Mautolo ki Togalupo. We're here in Togalupo. That's the walk, that's where you come from, Togalupo. It's a nice little swimming spot. Came here to Togalupo. Shout out to Felene Haku or Sampelisi, Dr. Sampelisi. Sampelisi's, he says he's from Avasele, but really he's Togalupo, Tangata Togalupo. Looks like the tide is up. Nice little swimming spot. Beautiful. Fuluala. So we're just here to check it out. Nice. Probably jump off those. Beautiful. Nice. Look at the water. Nice and clear. I hope the kids don't jump in because I didn't bring my swimming gears. But yeah, this is Togalupo. Fuluala e Itahi. Fuluala e La. Mea Lahi. E vai. Hey, e moana. Pake ene means be careful. Okay, kia monuina, Togalupo.
It was like a sign, not that one.
Togalupo. Whakalofa atu Mako, Hoi Swansons, mo Asafo, ko Io. Whakalofa atu, Mako.
Whakalofa atu, ko whiwhitaki takitaki e nganofi a roof. O mai e Swanson. O peheo kia e o mai e tahe mongo kia e so.
Ia. E ke ha whiwhi whanonga.
O home whanonga, longo te tangata e mutu. manui ne mutu, longa tau kai.
Yeah.
Mai longa tau whewa.
Ko hai ki ngoa e tau tama hao.
Pe ngoa putu e ko kai langi tule.
Kailangi tule.
Yeah.
Kailangi tule. What's that in English?
I do love
And your other son?
Kokoiki.
Kokoiki.
Yeah.
Kokoiki and Kailuma
Langi tule.
Langi tule. Alright. Oh wow.
Abawe my boss.
Yeah. I better leave that stuff alone because he's with his
well,
family.
I came to this island to get away from media and
Hey man, you can't get away. This fella is famous, always helping the Niue community with all the historical stuff, the Vangaho Niue, everything. You were the first umu we did.
oh yes, that's right.
Yes, first umu.
Nemo. Yeah.
Hey Numo, but
That's a while back.
yeah.
Level, yeah.
First one, I think I was one of the only students with the other fella, I forget his name, and my sister.
Yeah.
Yes, I always remember Io, the man, famous. Yeah, whaiumo, because whakaako whaiaonga hako.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay man, thanks Io man for stopping by.
Sweet.
Yeah, we'll see you. Yo, shout kalangatu. Yo.
Hey, Auntie John, thanks for coming to the airport to say goodbye. Oh man, it's been a good holiday, a working holiday. Came up to work at the hospital, and nice to be up here for the 50th Pule Whakamotu. Good sign behind us. I heard it was a good party, but I didn't attend. Just first stayed at the beginning, and then yeah, it's been nice, man. Weather's been warm, with some overcast.
Yeah.
So not too hot. Yeah. Koelahi man, or have to book another trip.
You came with to help out at the hospital, eh?
Came to help out at the hospital. So just worked a week up there.
Yeah.
Spent some time on some call outs.
How was it at the Excellency dinner?
Oh yeah, there was a nice dinner with the New Zealand High Commissioner. Yeah, it was nice. There's a few delegates from around the Pacific that came up.
Yeah.
The New Zealand Governor General was there, and yeah, it was pretty nice grounds.
Yeah.
Hopefully Niueans get a chance to visit that spot because it's really beautiful property and
Yeah.
a bit of a privilege for me, and a few canopies and light networking, photo opportunities, but it's great to get that invite.
Yeah.
I think they invited us because of the deployment.
Yeah.
So yeah. But time to go back home, make sure my family's all good. Shout out to David.
Yo. Shee.
Yeah, it's time to go back home, get back to work and sort out our stuff. Oh, shout out to Tuya Sunrise, Auntie Heke and Uncle Wayne's accommodation in Hakupu on the Tuya Sea Track. They're on Airbnb. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom home, massive lounge, massive deck, and a great view. Walking track to a few local swimming spots, and recommended. So we stayed there for a week. Great accommodation, and that's in Hakupu. And yeah, in Alofi there's Kaina, Gause and David's Fale, all on Airbnb. Man, it's nice to be up here. Our places were booked out, so couldn't stay in David's Fale. So, but the place is looking good. The island's busy. The roads are good. All the cars are booked out. Just gotta come up here. If you're watching, gotta come up here and enjoy. Koelahi, man.
Yeah, whakaoi. Whakalofa atu makau. Hoko mai motolu ki a hikuta wake. Those of you know who's been to Hikuta Wake, you know that the sign's here. So you know we're at Matapa. O mai motolu ke koukou I Matapa. Rangona o tau iki tupuna o ki Matapa ke koukou. What I've been told is that Matapa is the king's bathing area back in the day. We're in Hikutavake if you didn't really understand what I was saying. We're just at the entry. So you gotta park here. We're parked there. And we're gonna go to Matapa. We checked out the mermaid pools. We call them mermaid pools. but it's just the reef area down there. To the left of Matapa, but the tide's in, so it's not safe. When the tide goes out, if we're still here, we will go check it out, but we're gonna go to Matapa. Nice and cool. My feet starting to swell, so I've been drinking lots of water. I've been water loading, getting ready for the bodybuilding comp coming up on Thursday. Ahtulotu, se inu 4 liters of water today, 5 liters yesterday, 4 liters today, 3 tomorrow, 2 on Wednesday, and then just sip water on Thursday for the comp. But that's for another video. Right, today, Matapa. Okay, we'll take some footage down there. Kia manuina. Alright, finally made it.
You're gonna get
Hoko motolu, hoko motolu.
No, it's okay. Now you have it.
Yeah, makalili e makalili e vai. Tau e ko ora, si ora. Makalili e vai. Fuloala e whai tangata. Patisia e Auntie Hak ko Malena. Mo Tama ko Jerry, mo Hoana. Tangata i Ailani mo Tupuna, Tamafina Tupuna. Alright, we're gonna get in. We just arrived. Saw some GI legends. Malena arrived too with her son Jerry, partner from the Cook Islands, and granddaughter, New Law's daughter. But yeah, Matapa. Look at that. I'm not taking the camera in because this camera's not a GoPro. Yo. Whakalawhatu. Ko Auntie Malena
Kalawhatu ma John.
Man, whakalawhatu.
Fulwala whileweia ki Niue.
Fulwala.
Koko ki Matapa. Tō tahe vela.
Tō taha mitaki sino hau, mai ke whileweia, mai ke laka hui ke Matapa.
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. Yeah. Okay, better go and have a swim, eh?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Whakalawhatu makau. Hoko mai a matolo ki Limu pools I... Don't want to get this wrong. Tuapa? If it's not Tuapa, I apologize. But yeah, Limu pools. This is another spot. Looks like kilila sunburn. I'm not sure if that's the word, but kilila sunburn. Didn't put my sunblock on. Nimo ke daong sunblock ne ke kilila. We just arrived from Hikutawake. There's some people already here. This is the spot for Limo. Nice little spot. Yeah. We have to walk down. I'll show you what it looks like. There's a little way here. See there?
Look!
Yeah.
Guys, it's Jackson! Stop! There's a way here!
Rope. Hold on to the rope.
You've got to be quiet.
And it's down there. It's probably another word for steps, but yeah, there's some steps. Got to be careful. And then yeah. Alright, time to jump in. Round 2.
Wait. And then I will show Dad.
Oh.
Come here, what's the matter? Come here.
Haia, whakaoe. Whakalofa atu, pongi atu. Aho nei, ko aho ua. Hala kuata ke tā, hake ke 5. 4:45. Write in the comments how do you say 4:45. Kuaui Allen Tunnels Gym e monga nei. Ke langa ki mamafa, whawhawsino. Hauau e hala monga nei. Ke me ke au ke whawhawsino while my kids mamohe I kaina. I'll just show you quickly, show you this. This is the 2024 Bodybuilding and Powerlifting Nationals. Thursday, 24th October at Clayton's Club. This is the deadlift only in powerlifting. Yeah, deadlift only, all categories in deadlift. Youth, junior, open masters. I'll be bodybuilding. Yeah. So this is Allen Tunnels Gym. Mean gym. I was at Julie's gym, Nelfi. Liu mai au ki Allen's gym yaho nei. When I landed on Friday, Niue Friday, I came here Saturday morning, met Allen. Still the man. I came to Niue in 2014, not knowing it was the 40th Pule Whakamotu. And met Allen then. Umai maua mo tau kese haku ko haki pea. E monga ia. And Allen was the man back then. Kind, let us come train in his gym, friendly. And when I met him 2 days ago, same, you know, friendly, welcoming, open arms to come train in his gym, just as long as you're respectful to his stuff. So yeah, I'm here this morning. Just tell you a little bit about ku e tau kupu. Amanaki au ki tau se bodybuilding show. See, there's a thing called water loading. So on the week, they call it peak week. On the peak week of comp, you drink some water. I've been drinking 5 liters of water, and then 4 liters, 3 liters, 2 liters, 1 liter, and then on the day, just sipping water. So today I've only got 2 to 3 liters to drink. Tomorrow apongi, inu, taha liter, and then on the day, just sip water. Try not to drink much water. It's called dehydration. So I'm in that phase. You're meant to like cut your sugars. Ua kai masima, kai tose masima, and try and kai tose carbs, keep your carbs down. See, and then on the day you try and, they call it a carb load or carb up. You try and eat some carbs, good carbs though, and so you should be a bit dehydrated and carved up. So the dehydration, there's no water in your muscles, so you don't look bloated. And when you eat the carbs kind of get sucked into your muscles, so you kind of have like a pumped up look, inflated look. That's the goal. So hopefully I can like cut a few percentage, body fat percentage, look that much better on stage. Might do some posing practices, just so it don't look like a fool on stage. It don't look out of place. But it's good. Got some encouraging words from the bro Hayden and the cousin Herks. Got some people that might come and support. David, Hikairo, Hika Kairo, and Jason, Dr. Jace. Maybe he might come. And I forget who else. But yeah. So that's me. That's my little thing. But as for this gym, mean gym, open 24 hours. You just have to talk to Allen first. Got everything you need: deadlift, squat, shoulder press, bench press, and got this mean thing here for abs, hanging leg raises. And yeah, so it's just me here. I'll try and have a good workout, smash out my workout o si linga hala fitu, hala walu, maybe. Leo atu ki kaina ke lewe ki tau tama, whelewea mo mga whaua, mo hoana, mo matuwhawhine aku. So yeah, just a little insight into the bodybuilding scene. I haven't done this leva mga aho e tau se bodybuilding show. Whiwhilahi au mea ki tau se leo atu ki tau se bodybuilding show I Niue I Alofi. So it's been a few years since I've done a bodybuilding show. It's good to come back and do it in Niue. As you know, ko hingoa e YouTube channel haku ko Niue Bodybuilder. So yeah, just all fits in place eh. Whiwhilahi au ki liu mai ki Niue ki compete e Niue Bodybuilding Nationals. So hope this hasn't bored you. Yeah, but this is something that I love to do. I always train. I don't eat the best that often, but now it's all coming into place. So yeah, might never get this opportunity again to do a bodybuilding show in Niue. And what better time to do it on the 50th Pule Whakamotu. So if you've lasted this far in this little talk, this little spiel, kia manuina, whakaolahi, mai ke ono mai. Big shout out to Josephine Gray from Perth. Man, whakaolahi mai ke add some views to the channel, and hope you're doing well in Perth if you're back home. Josephine Gray, when I was first working, man, she was inspiration when I first got into my job as mental health. Just strong, brave, you know, what a real Niuean, proud Niuean would do, jump up and perform no matter where. So to hear that she watches this channel is amazing, eh? It's cool. Whakalahi Josephine, whiwhi au ke whelewea e aho 50th Pule Whakamotu. Hope everyone in Perth as well. Okay, better get into the training. Tō whelewea. Whakaalo whātuma kau, ko au I whale whau e Alan Tunnels Gym. Ko au mo sino leke, tangata sika sino leke, inspiration for myself. But I'll let him do the talking. We're here enough from me.
Yeah, thanks, John. Yeah, thanks, John. Hi guys. Ko ingoa ko pila matangi whana Strickland ingoa haku. So tauhaka ko ono tahe tauhaka. How ke gym in Indonesia ke sia patui training ka ha si tala kamata mo ke tala ndoi ka ai how to say ai mau ka he mga ndoi ha ko si mitaki ka ke how ke ndoi ke pakamau mga ho ndoi nei pelota ke tala kia sometimes when we have broken English, you lose the word, you speak English, and you go back to Niue, so here nega hatu tala for North New Zealand. Mitaki ha ki sia patui, my brother over here, first time, or no, maybe the second time, meet you. Koe ni ka ha mena flot ki ta. Kia,
Whakoi. Ko pilo he ingoa, whelewea shop expo I New Zealand, si whelewea uaki e mongo nei. Ia, o no taha e tau e pila. Ki si e sino pila, man, o whamase au. Ia, manako au ki muitua ki a pila e I mua. Ski sa manako au ke mou e sino leke e tau ono taha.
Yeah. How get those exercise the CrossFit kia? How to get exercise here? Join a gym, fan ki si gym I Aukalana, fan those CrossFit.
Mana tu au ko e wha lima e tau. E ko ono taha. But yeah. Thanks Pila for sharing your secrets. Yeah. Whakoelai.
Thank you. Goe.
Whakoe. Whakalo whātuma kau, ko aho nei, aho ua e aho nei. Man, o whamase au, hoko mai Ian mo Emmy mo Atumani, te mai e kai, ke kai mo tolu. Bro, watch your eyes. 3, 2, 1, boom! Shit, man. Vela. Se fuke e level ne fuke tau kai, ke kai mo tolu. They've labeled everything: lamb chops, pork ribs, sausage, takihi, tau ika, tau new, pork spare ribs. What's this? More chicken, man. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, my mom's gonna come and have a speech. Blessed to have the company of our Auntie Mina, whakalofa atu. Yeah, good to have Auntie Mina here. Any words, Auntie, for today? Ei whai kupu, ei whai kupu. Ei tupe, yeah, so we're just blessed here to be blessed with this massive feed. Looks like they've gone all out on this one. I haven't eaten all day. This is my first meal for the day. So, got the bodybuilding competition on Thursday. Oh. Yep. So I'm meant to be eating well, but after tonight, I think gonna ruin all my week's notice. But here's the taki, the master. Whanau ke tau se tau nifo ke poki tau ata. But yeah, okay. Yep.
Whakalofa lahi atu, whakaue ke awhi, ko liongi te kai ha mautolu, ko whakaue haia ke eke pule ha hikuta wake, mo e mi hako mai a laua me tama ke tamai e kai a mautolu, e mga whaua ni hoko mai ka hae e tau kai ne tamai e laua hae, koe Matapa tu taro ai, koe talo whasi ai, lahi, hae foki koe umu tau I whakua he rono ki ai, koe
Takihi.
Koe takihi ai, e a whange e haki ki sia e takihi ne tau mai e atu mani. Moho maru hom. Koe lahi maha ke takihi, si ko peheo ka John, hai takihi he motu nei, tau aki e tuku ake lau fusi. Tō tahe vela. Hai.
Manongi.
Manongi e takihi, si ko lau fusi e ne a whi aki e takihi. Ilo lahi e tangata e ono la. E takihi, wow. Nice takihi.
Manongi.
Manongi e takihi, si koe mena kai e. Koe umu, this is a umu food.
Ngalue.
Koe ngalue umu food. Hui. Koe moa e, ka?
Moa.
Moa e. Koe moa fukia e. Koe tau waka tau viki puaka e ne tau. E uina atu ke mtulu ke mai ki whatau kai a tau tolu. He awhi e.
Oh.
Ka haua ka ke whane pola tu, awhi mai ki kai hae koe viki puaka e. Tau aki hingoa.
Yeah.
Hai tau aki e tau lau ono ke ai koe tau lau kāluku. Hai, si koe polo tō sisi ai, ko whitahi ki sia, koe polo polo hui mamoe, lamb chops ai, ne kua tau he umu, koe whaikai ai.
Whaikai.
E taha kai e whoki.
Yeah. Viki.
Koe tau
Soft bones, eh?
soft bones he puaka e whoki, mai whaikai ai, taro ai. Ngoi nei. Hai, ka o mai ama tole hala na mai mo e a fe mai ke whatau kai a tolu kia. Roe ni ka tua ha ko pie whawhanoa ke tau kai ne ko hoko mai. Kia ni he whai o mai a mautou he no nofo mai. Kau e ki tau momoi whai ta mai hae. Saka am anyway. Polo tō sisi ai. In Niue, this is the way you make the food for them. You have the banana leaves and you put the food. It really makes a difference when you eat the food baked in banana leaves and the food baked in foil. Kehe e manongi lahi. Sia e mone si osi mea si inoa ki tofu niue ke whakalanu aki e kai. That's to wash your food down. Oh, couldn't wait. Haya, o mai ke kai.
Whakaoe.
Haya, whakaoe lahi. Whakaoe kia kai ma atu mani. Me to matua hao he oho nei ne tamai ke kai a mato tō taha e mawhanga. Me heo matau kau. Taka takihi ne lahi takihi ko kai takihi te. A whie whamitake takihi ke uteo ke tuku he whirisa. Ke uta ki nusila e ao whalai le ka. Mitake ta kai pia. Homo. Ai kai ne mo mou. Kauna mitake takihi ka ha he lahi poki e loku. Whakaue lahi. Haia.
Haia, whakaoe.
Whakaue lahi.
Whakaalo whātu makau. Aho lotu aho nei. Whanau ke uto e tau tanga vewe ki ta vewe. Si hauau ki whale whawhau ki tau se whawhau sino ke lau mga ki mamafa. Yo, just went to the rubbish dump to dump some rubbish. And now I'm going to the gym to do some workout. Man, as the days go on, I think I'm waking up later and later. So I just got to keep coming to the gym early while the kids are asleep. But yeah, I hope you guys are good in New Zealand, Niue, Australia, worldwide. I'll get this workout in. Haia, kia monuina. Put you on my video, bro. This is Murphy.
Hey.
Where you from, Murph?
I'm from Sydney, Australia, out of Penrith.
Oh, nice. But you're Tongan Niue and Tuapa.
That's right. Tuapa and my mum is also from Toi as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think also part of Alofi as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are 3 different villages.
There you go. This is Murphy's business card if you want to contact him for any digital media stuff, eh?
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Yo. Sweet man, yeah. Alright, bro. Oh, you got the camera too?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Whakalo whātu, ko hinga hako ko John. Whakolahi mai ke ono ki au. Ke whilahi au, ke matataki mo Murphy. Whakaoe Liz. Whakaoe, thanks.
Yeah. Look.
Whakaoe. Whakalo whātu makau. I'm here at the Niue Business Expo. It's awesome. Heaps of things to do. I don't really go on there, it's too loud. Well, my kids had a look, it was pretty good. It was nice to meet the DJ. Busy, look at that. I'm a bit broke at the moment, so a bit embarrassing walking in there when funds a bit low. I get paid next week, so hopefully I can go just donate some money, but at the moment, nah, sorry T. Yeah, but that was my uncle, but I didn't recognize. Oh, here's the artist. Whakalo whātu, pongi atu. O mai Niue Expo.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh. Eh, whai, yeah, whai. Remember the artist? Yeah.
How are you?
Okay, mo whale aho. Yep, to Whilawea. Oh, yeah.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
To the car.
Oh.
So that was just John, just going to check out the artist. Oh, watch out. Manongi aho nei, manongi. Come on, cross. Crossing the road. We parked at the Whalefono.
Dad,
So.
say bye. Dad, say bye.
Who? Koe kia Kingston. Yeah, that's YouTube follower. Shout out to Kingston. Hiva e tau. I've sell him more TMK, Tamakutonga. Maybe we'll go check out the Niue tourism information. Okay, manui ne aho. Whakalo whātuma kou, ko au I hoko motolu ki bodybuilding show. We just came to Clayton's bar. Got my mum supporting me. Whakawalahi mum.
All three of them, Jack, John, and Jinan. Do we have a Jim in the crowd who wants to join? Since they're all J's for tonight. Jack, John, and Jinan. Jackson. Let's welcome all three of our bodybuilders. Jack, John and Janam. We're just gonna break. Bodybuilders, can you just go on the floor, please? Can we invite the kids, please, up to the stage so they can do a routine with our bodybuilders?